Well, despite the presence of some sizable lakes, the Okanagan has been labeled Canada's most water-stressed region. That's why local mayors are challenging you to help make your community this year's champion of the annual Make Water Work Summertime Challenge. Travis Lowe has more.
We have less water available per person in the Okanagan than anywhere in Canada, but we use 2 times more than the average Canadian.
It's a startling statistic from the launch of the annual Make Water Work campaign at Glenmore Elementary School this morning.
So the idea of Make Water Work was to try and encourage residents to use water more wisely and to make water work more effectively and efficiently on their landscapes.
The initiative, now in its 9th year, provides tips and tools to become water-wise. A large part of the program is a challenge between local municipalities in which residents make a pledge online to conserve water.
It's really important that we conserve our water today, but also we want to make sure there's a lot of fresh water available for you in the future.
Mayors from up and down the valley were on hand to take up the challenge and pledge their support.
Choose plants suitable to our dry climate.
When it comes to being water-wise, the undisputed heavyweight champion is Armstrong, having won the title 3 times in the last 5 years, with the most online pledges to use water wisely.
Water plants and not pavement.
And while Kelowna Mayor Colin Bazran made his own personal pledge, the mayor had a challenge of his own.
My challenge is for the residents of Kelowna to take this seriously because it is a big deal.
The fact that there are huge environmental impacts to continually using water and not conserving, we really need to play our part.
We use way too much water in the Okanagan.
It's a message that many students at Glenmore Elementary, like young Connor Brasnet, have taken to heart.
We need to save all of our water that we can.
And to those who abuse and overuse the resource, Brasnet has some advice for us older folks.
Stop wasting your water, and because for the future generations, we want water too.
Travis Lowe, Global News.